Welcome to Quantum Cracks, the channel where we unravel the mysteries and theories that crack the fabric of reality. In today's episode, we dive into the enigma of the Tunguska Event. What if we told you that there's a place on our planet where over 80 million trees got flattened in an instant? If this sounds like a scene from a Hollywood blockbuster, then allow us to tell you that what we just described is reality, a catastrophic event that happened on June 30th, 1908, near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River in a remote part of Siberia, Russia. The Tunguska Event remains one of the most bizarre mysteries in modern history. Let's look into the unbelievable details surrounding this case, which will leave you speechless. And don't forget to stay until the end of the video to find out about the 5 most compelling theories that experts have put forward to try to explain what really happened. You definitely don't want to miss this. On June 30th, 1908, a massive explosion rocked an area in Siberia, Russia, so remote that it took almost 3 decades for scientists to learn about it. Flattening over 80 million trees across 2,150 square kilometers or 830 square miles, this blast had an estimated energy release of 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, equivalent to 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Residents from as far as 60 kilometers, or 37 miles away, reported feeling the explosion, and some even claimed they witnessed a blinding flash followed by intense heat, shockwaves, and seismic tremors. For example, a man working at a trading post described the following: "The sky split in two, and fire appeared high and wide over the forest. The sound resembled that of a whip cracking. Windows and houses within the settlement were shattered. The ground shook as though it were an earthquake." Another witness later recalled, "It was hot enough to roast meat. One could see perfectly well through the smoke that rose over the trees. At first it was red and then it turned white. The light was similar to daylight. The forest on the other side of the river was on fire. This might seem like a scene from a catastrophe movie, but it's all too real. But what happened exactly? To answer this question, let's explore the mysterious events surrounding the Tunguska explosion, an airburst of a meteor or comet. This is the leading theory among mainstream astronomers and geologists. According to this hypothesis, a comet or asteroid entered the Earth's atmosphere and exploded mid-air due to the intense pressure and heat. This would explain why no impact crater has ever been found, and why no confirmed meteorite fragments have been recovered. However, there are still some inconsistencies. Despite numerous expeditions to the site, neither solid debris nor a crater has ever been confirmed. A UFO crash. Given the unusual lack of debris and the many reports of glowing lights in the sky, some people believe that instead of a comet, it was an UFO that exploded or crashed in the atmosphere. While this may sound like a conspiracy theory, it's important to consider that a large amount of debris from a potential spaceship wouldn't necessarily have been left behind. However, despite extensive searches, no alien tech or materials have ever been found. Yet another reason to keep an open mind. Remember, the Tunguska event occurred in a very remote area, and much of the initial investigation was hindered by difficult terrain and limited resources. It's possible that debris could still be out there waiting to be discovered. Tesla's death ray. Before we delve into the remaining theories, let's talk about Nikola Tesla. The renowned inventor and electrical engineer had reportedly been experimenting with wireless energy transmission and had warned about the destructive potential of such technologies. Some theorists claim that around the time of the Tunguska event, Tesla was conducting top-secret experiments with his Wardenclyffe Tower in New York. He allegedly aimed to harness the power of the Earth's natural electrical fields to transmit energy wirelessly around the globe. However, these experiments were abruptly halted due to a lack of funding and growing public concern. Some speculate that Tesla had developed a highly advanced particle beam weapon capable of destroying targets from miles away, which he referred to as the death ray. Could it be that the Tunguska explosion was the result of one of Tesla's misfired energy blasts? Perhaps he was attempting to reach the North Pole but missed, causing catastrophic damage. This theory is intriguing because it aligns with the timeline of Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower experiments. However, there is no direct evidence that he possessed the ability to generate such destructive energy at such a range. Nonetheless, it remains a popular theory among those fascinated by Tesla's work and the potential for wireless energy transmission. A mini black hole. This is where things start getting a bit weird. A small black hole, or a chunk of exotic matter called antimatter, could theoretically have struck Earth and caused the explosion without leaving any traditional debris behind. However, this idea is considered quite fringe and lacks any supporting data or evidence. A giant fireball. This theory suggests that a large fireball could have caused the devastation. While this might seem straightforward, it doesn't account for the energy released or the lack of an impact crater, Tunguska, as a time travel incident. While highly speculative, some imaginative theories propose that the Tunguska event was linked to time travel. Proponents of this idea suggest that an individual or a group from the future may have attempted to alter history, perhaps to prevent a future disaster, and the explosion was an unintended consequence. Now, while time travel remains a staple of science fiction, it's important to approach such theories with a healthy dose of skepticism. Nevertheless, it's a fascinating concept that captures the imagination and serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities that exist in the realm of theoretical physics. In the absence of concrete evidence, each theory has its strengths and weaknesses. The idea that the Tunguska event was caused by an airburst of a meteor or comet is generally accepted as the most plausible explanation. However, the lack of physical evidence leaves room for alternative hypotheses, such as a UFO crash or a mini black hole. It's important to note that while these theories may seem outlandish, they highlight the wonder and mystery that still surround our planet and the vast universe we inhabit. The Tunguska event continues to captivate scientists and enthusiasts alike, serving as a reminder of the incredible forces that exist beyond our understanding. Why is the Tunguska event still important today? In the aftermath of the Tunguska event, there were calls for a systematic study of near-Earth objects to better understand and mitigate potential risks. However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that space agencies like NASA and ESA began actively monitoring near-Earth objects. Now, planetary defense systems are being developed to protect Earth from potential impacts. The Tunguska event serves as a reminder of the vulnerability of our planet and the importance of continuous vigilance and technological advancements. By studying past events like Tunguska, we can better prepare for any future celestial surprises that may come our way. So there you have it, a closer look at the enigmatic Tunguska event and its enduring impact on our understanding of the universe. While the true cause of this cataclysmic event may forever remain a mystery, the event itself serves as a stark reminder of the immense power and unpredictability of the natural world. As we continue to explore the depths of space and unravel the secrets of the cosmos, the Tunguska event stands as a testament to the wonders and potential dangers that lie beyond our planet. But what do you think? You have any theories of your own about what might have caused the Tunguska event? Perhaps you've heard other intriguing explanations that we didn't cover in this video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and join the ongoing conversation surrounding this captivating mystery. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. We will see you soon, so till next time.